In this video, I'm going to teach you how to bulk delete profiles in Klaviyo. In order to do that, first, head over to klaviyo.com and you can just input right here your email address. Proceed to sign up using that and just follow the on-screen instructions. Once we're done with this, head over and click onto this login option that we can see right here in order to successfully log in. Let me head over and do that. Now here is my actual Klaviyo homepage of my dashboard. To bulk delete profiles in Klaviyo, just navigate right here in their account name. Then after that, click on the settings that you can see right here. And then after that, they should be able to open this. What we can do is we can click on this other option. From in there, you can see this profile maintenance. So make sure to click on that. In here, you can see the remove profiles option. So what we can do is you can just select a list right here of people that we would like to delete. We have in here churn risk, email list, engage for several days, new subscribers, potentials, BIPs, winbacks, and the likes. So for this case, let's just head over and then choose in here this preview list. After that, click on this delete people that we can see right there. Now in here, to permanently delete this profile, please type 1 below. So this is just one profile, so if you chose 2, you can input 2. Let me head over and input right here 1. After that, you can see that the delete button will turn red. Head over and click on this. Then after that, as you can see, this will delete everyone on that particular list. Once it's been completed, you can return to the previous page and as you can see, they were not to be found in here anymore. So that's all there is today and I hope this video actually helped you to bulk delete profiles in Klaviyo. So if you have any more questions, just comment them down below.